Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Draw, EO network diagrams. First, navigate to the Draw, EO website to begin your diagramming journey. You will find a user-friendly interface ready for your creative designs. Choose to create a new diagram or open an existing one from various storage options. This powerful tool helps visualize complex network architectures with ease and precision. To build your network diagram, start by exploring the extensive shape libraries on the left-hand side. You will find categories for networking, servers, and more. Simply drag and drop the desired components, such as a router or a firewall, onto your canvas. Adjust their size and position to accurately represent your network layout. This process is straightforward and highly customizable. Once your components are on the canvas, connect them using the intuitive connector tools. Simply click and drag from one shape to another to establish a link. You can customize connector styles, colors, and arrowheads to convey different types of connections. Add clear text labels to each device and connection, ensuring your diagram is easily understood by anyone viewing it. After completing your network diagram, you can easily save and export it in multiple formats. Options include high-resolution PNG for images, SVG for scalable vector graphics, or PDF for documents. You can also share your work directly to cloud services like Google Drive or Dropbox. This allows for seamless collaboration and easy distribution of your professional network designs.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.